Hi, do you know over 10% of people worldwide live with a phobia? And phobias are not just silly fears, they can affect daily life in serious ways. A phobia is an intense, irrational fear of a specific object, situation, or activity. For some, it's lizards, spiders, and for others, it's flying, height, or even darkness. These fears can trigger real physical reactions like sweating, dizziness, or panic attacks, and sometimes leads to avoidance, which limits life experiences. The good news is phobias are treatable with therapies like CBT, that is cognitive behavioral therapy, exposure therapy, and relaxation techniques. People regain control and live freely again. That is why I'm starting a 10 days reel series on phobias. Each day I'll share one common phobia, its effect, and how therapy can help. Follow along because fear does not have to control your life. Thank you.